Hey guys, how are we doing? So this is Dan from Trading with Dan, and this is our Binance update. We'll keep doing them, especially since today we may actually be under a Bitcoin. I haven't actually checked, so we can check this together. So we'll see how we're getting on. But yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go over to those accounts and we will see what is going on with these altcoins. Obviously, the altcoins are down. BTC is down as well, but obviously altcoins are down too. So one spot 558, add over to Binance. I don't think we're at one spot 175 anymore. Let me just get rid of this. One spot 02. Well, let's call it one spot 03. So plus one spot 103. So if we take away 0.368, I think we're just under a Bitcoin now, aren't we? Oh no, we're not. No, we're not. So we are basically still, yes, we're still just over, aren't we? That's correct, isn't it? I've done that right, haven't I? Yeah, so then if I take away the 1, we are basically still over a Bitcoin. Excellent. So that's good. That is good to see. Obviously, Bitcoin itself is lower, so that is helping us here. And the fiat value will obviously be lower because Bitcoin's lower. But yeah, so we are still over Bitcoin. So we obviously were in some altcoins that weren't doing quite so bad. So way to go, trading with Dan. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do then is yeah, I'll just obviously update that on the video. I'm just genuinely a bit shocked. I think we're only at like one spot one something yesterday, so we haven't really lost too much in reality. BTC value. I haven't really done any trading here. We've actually got $1,000 worth of tether here that we may look to invest in something that's looking good. And what I think is potentially looking good. Let me just see what we've got asset wise in here. We've got a lot of Edgeware, a lot of Anchor, a lot of Ocean, Ample and Ring. We don't have a lot of Ring, and I do like Ring. Yeah, I do like Ring. It has obviously started to make a bit of a move, but I'm just thinking if we should wait out to see how Bitcoin does deal with these levels. But then on the other hand, I do kind of looking at the wider markets, I think we probably may be okay. I kind of missed the opportunity to get Ring at a good level down here. So what we'll do is we'll put in some orders. We'll actually put in some orders for a change rather than just lifting the market to buy some Ring there, and we'll see if that gets filled. So yeah, overall, pretty pleased that we're still over Bitcoin over. Obviously a lot of the Binance alts are getting hit. RLC, one of my favorites, getting hit pretty hard today, down 11%. I did actually sell all the DOT. That's probably what's helping us. I sold all the DOT this morning at 6.4 and 6.5. So clearly that obviously helped keep the BTC value up, and obviously some of that cash was just there. So that tether was still there anyway. So yeah, that is it, guys. Still over Bitcoin up even after today's hammering. So yeah, if we can get some altcoin movement to the upside, we could start making our way to that second Bitcoin. So there we go, guys. Thanks for listening. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I'll speak to you guys later on with the Bitcoin evening wrap.